Hey, good morning, John. How you doing, sir? My name is Courtney Richardson. I'm here at the Tameron Honda in Hoover, Alabama. Just sending you this short video to put a face with a name so you know who you'll be speaking with. I'll be your USAA auto buying representative. But just wanted to show you a little bit about that Honda Odyssey you inquired in on. This is that EXL package. Didn't really specify outside color, so I do have a black one right here just to kind of go over some of the standard features. So up front, where we'll get started, you will pick up your Honda Sensing package, which houses the adaptive cruise, your lane keep assist, the road departure mitigation, and your forward collision braking. Nice LED headlights along with your high and low beams and your fog lighting as well. Inside the vehicle, you do pick up the leather seating, heated seats. Sorry about that, the wind is a little rough this morning, but you do get the leather. You get power seating, memory seating, heated seats, push button start, remote start. You get the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto connection, ton of features, sunroof, power tailgate, your magic second row seating, also your power sliding doors. I mean, just a list of amenities for you and the family. We'd love to set some time aside for you to come by, get behind the wheel, and experience this vehicle for yourself. So at your earliest convenience, just give me a call at 205-261-8732, where again, my name is Courtney Richardson. I'm here at Tameron Honda in Hoover, and when you make it in to see me, you're absolutely gonna love the way you're treated.